Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to send a message to somebody on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to send a message, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after opening, and you should know that you should first install the Facebook Messenger app on your phone, which is uh, this one, the Messenger app. You can see on the downwards on the third row of the app, you can see the Messenger just beside Facebook. Let's open it. You will need to install it, and after installing it, when you go to your Facebook and tap on the Messenger icon on the top right corner of your screen, tap there, and the Messenger will open like this. It will integrate your account automatically. Now to send a message on Facebook, just search for the person whom you want to and tap on them, and just send, just tap whatever you want to. And if you want to send the emoji like this, you can get all of these emojis. You can see the love emojis, all these animals, the foods, and your moods. And if you want to send your pictures, you can send your pictures from over here like this. And now to send a message, you can see the message airplane icon just beside the magnifying glass icon over here. Tap there, and you can see we have successfully sent a message. And there guys, this is how you send the message to somebody on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.